Hello friends, I am Yasar Shinde from Kekewa College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. First of all, I welcome you all to my channel that is sharing knowledge of agriculture. Today, we are going to discuss about the important topic that is compost, its types and methods of composting. So let's start the topic. So friends, in previous video, I have discussed about manure, then classification of organic manures, in that bulky organic manure and concentrated organic manure. Under bulky organic manure, we already discussed about farmyard manure and its different methods of preparation. Then in this video, we are going to discuss or study about compost and its different types like compost from farm litter, which is called as rural or farm compost, then compost from town refuse, which is urban compost, and mechanical compost. What is the meaning of compost? Compost is the bulky organic manure which is obtained by the decomposition process of waste organic residues by the action of different microorganisms. Then composting is largely a biological process in which microorganisms that are maybe aerobic and anaerobic, which decomposes the organic matter under medium to high temperature and lowers the C/N ratio of residues. Then let's see the chemical composition of compost. So compost containing nitrogen about 0.8%, phosphorus about 0.3%, and potash is about 1.5%. There are two types of compost, farm compost and town compost. Farm compost is also known as rural compost and town compost is known as urban compost. Farm compost utilizes seeds, crop stubbles, busa or straw, crop residues such as cotton stalks, groundnut husk, leaves, sugarcane trash, urine-soaked earth, and litter from cattle shed, and also waste fodder. The next is town compost, which is also called as urban compost. The main component of town compost are night soil and street and house refuse, commonly known as kachra and wood ashes. You can see in these two images the farm compost and town compost. Let's see the methods of composting. There are basically three methods of compost preparation, that are Indore method, Bangalore method, and Nadep method. Let's start the first method, that is Indore method. This method is developed by Howard and Ward at Institute of Plant Industry by aerobic decomposition method. Procedure for preparation of compost by this method is given here. So let's start one by one. So the farm waste is spread in the layers in the pit of depth of about 30 by 14 by 2 feet. Then the layers are sprinkled with a mixture of wood ash and urine earth. Then a layer of 2 inches of dung is sprayed and sprinkled with the water. The pit is filled in the same sequence till a height of 2.5 feet above the ground level is reached. The pit is watered in the evening and again in the morning. To ensure uniform mixing and aeration, the material is provided 3 times at least. First turning is done after 10 to 14 days, second is after 14 days of first turning. The third time turning is done when the pits are 2 months old and the dark material is shifted on the ground and kept in the form of rectangular heaps to ripen for the month when it is ready for application. Then here is the composition of compost prepared by Indore method. So that compost contains about 0.8% nitrogen, then 0.3% P2O5 and 1.5% K2O. Second method of composting is Bangalore method. This method is known as a hot fermentation method, which is developed by Dr. C.N. Acharya at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. It is an anaerobic process. Procedure for this method is, first of all, the pit should have sloping walls and floor, a slope of about 90 centimeter to prevent waterlogging is prepared. Then the length of pit is about 0.6 meter for a pair of cattle. All refuse and cattle shed waste are mixing properly and spread into the pit of about 9 to 10 inch height. Over this, a thin layer of earth and dung or night soil and ash is spread. Water sprinkled over the pit uniformly. The whole pit is filled this way layer by layer till the heap is raised 1 foot above the ground level. Finally, the heap is made dome shaped and plastered with a layer of mud to protect from rainwater. The compost is ready in about 6 months. Anaerobic microorganisms break down organic matter in absence of oxygen and produce methane along with CO2. Whatever compost we get from this Bangalore method, the composition of that compost is about 1.40% of nitrogen, 1% of P2O5, and about 1.4% of K2O. Third method of composting is NADEP method. According to Sri Narayan Rao Pandharipanda, this method envisages lot of composting through minimum use of cattle dung. This is aerobic decomposition, requires about 90 to 120 days to obtain final decomposed product. So procedure for this method is, first of all, make tank with bricks or locally available material near farm sites with size about 10 by 6 by 3 feet with 9-inch thick wall. NADEP composting needs farm waste, wise weeds, grasses, leaves, sugarcane trash, stubbles, etc. About 1400 to 1500 kg. Then cattle dung about 90 to 100 kg. Then dry sieved soil about 1750 kg, and water according to season about 500 to 2000 liters. Method of filling of tank is, before filling tank, slurry of cow dung and water should be sprinkled on floor. In first layer, plant residues available on the farm are spread evenly in layers to a thickness of 6 inches, about 100 to 110 kg. Then second layer is of cattle dung or gobar gas slurry, about 4 to 5 inches, and spread 125 to 150 liter water over first layer. Third layer consists of dry sieved soil, about 50 to 60 kg of soil, and spread over second layer and sprinkled with the water over it. Then tank filled up to the 1.5 feet above the bricks wall and a hut-like structure made at top. The whole tank made within 1 to 2 days. After 15 to 20 days, material contracts and goes down by 8 to 9 inches. Again filled, repeated, and sealed again. Then compost is ready within 3 to 4 months. In order to maintain 15 to 20% moisture, compost pit must be sprinkled regularly with cow dung and water. In this image, you can see how NADEP method of composting is useful for farmers and how the farmers can prepare the pits for NADEP method. This is another model of NADEP method of compost preparation, which is having rooftop, then ventilation holes, then brick walls. This is all about compost, types of compost, and methods of composting. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.